waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room in my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. Inside my heart, the clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I'm feeling, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. City is not the place for us to be. I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town, this town.
Hey guys, don't mind my face. I'm currently editing my vlog. Nandun sa labas yung laptop ko. And while editing, na-remember ko na may gift pala sila sa akin. Tapos, I forgot to open it. Sabi pa naman ni Benz is, na-expired daw to. Pero hindi pa siya expired. 1 week na kami dito, babe. Ano kaya naman na ito? Thank you so much yung mga gifts. Sobrang spoiled ko sa kanila. Nakakainis. Hindi ko pa naman na bigay yung letters ko sa kanila. Oh my gosh, let's see. Thank you so much guys sa mga gifts. I'm so spoiled. Ano kaya ito? Sana hindi talaga ito na-expired kasi real lang. Oh! Before I open. Hala, ayoko na ito. Ay, nakakainis. Nakakainis naman. Ang daming letters. UN. Sira ulo kayo. Kaya meron din yung kay Kim. Kay Sai meron din. Oh my gosh. Baliw kayo. Ganun ito. Ang ganda naman na ito. Pasabog naman ito. Oh my gosh. Meron din dito. Ang dami. Box of letters siya. Dude, I feel bad kasi hindi ko nabasa yung kanila. And I'm not gonna open this one right now. Legit na hindi ko pa ito na-open. Hala. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tapos yung sa akin, piece of paper lang talaga siya na last minute kong ginawa. Hindi ko pa naibigay. I'm so sorry guys. Pero thank you so much for this. Hala. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko muna siya babasahin. Sabi ko sa inyo, I'm saving it. You guys, I still feel connected with them. Kasi sabi ko na, I'm saving it for my quiet time. Pero hindi pa siya today, at this moment. And if I'm gonna read this, hindi ko na siya siguro i-feel para, you know, I can devour the messages. And oh, hello, thank you so much. Kakainis naman itong mga thing. Paano yung tulinak? Thank you so much guys. Sobrang spoiled ko talaga, nakakainis sa kanila.
Please to let go mode. Check mo. Akin na yung bag. May picture siya. Mga ano yung picture siya.
Been a week since we moved here, and we're on our way to the beach. And dala ko. Hey guys, update. So, wala na kami mas space. Wala na kami nakitang space na may sun talaga and by the beach. So, nasa gilid na kami ng mga bush ng ganyan. Pero nandun sila. But, yun, we're on our way. Kami ng mga pamangkin ko dun sa pinaka malaking space wherein mas madami yung tao. Kasi mas gusto nila dito at saka mas mababaw ata. Hindi ko alam if magsiswim ako or hindi. Siguro I'll just dip. Pero hindi swimming talaga na ano. Hindi ko rin ata makaswim kasi nga crowded na. So yeah, nilulubos din talaga yung araw dito. Summer kasi nga mag-change na rin ang weather. So yeah, might as well enjoy every bit of it. So yeah, yan sila. Say hi! Secure the spot. Say hi. Do you like that?
So there, it's been a week since we moved here, and a lot of things has happened already within the span of 1 week. Sobrang busy niya since the moment na nag-arrive kami dito, pagkalapag na aeroplano, ang dami na talagang ginawa. But anyway, in this clip, this is actually a time-lapse sana, supposedly a time-lapse, but I've decided to make it raw as it is para, mas ma-feel nyo rin yung moment. And this is actually our first beach getaway ng whole family namin, and I'm really grateful to experience a moment like this. But as you guys all know, if you're an avid fan of me or like a viewer, it's always the little things that I really enjoyed. Tulad nito na we were just sitting by the beach and people watching, and something na na-enjoy ko na, unlike na alam mo yung ang daming ginagawa ganyan. And sana ma-experience nyo rin yung ganyang moments in life, hindi naman like on a vacation, but like the little things, everyday moments that you get to spend with your family or your loved ones. Sana mas ma-appreciate natin yun, kasi mas ma-appreciate natin yung bigger things once we appreciate the little things that we get to experience with them. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I guess this is how I end my vlog.
Tita siya kasi nag-bukid mo. Nagbalangin pa yun. Hindi mo pinapaalis na natin dito. Ba, ayos dito ka.
So dito siya parang paano nakakap.
Kaya masaya na tayo, hindi pa nagsisimig.
Pumunta rito para matulog. Tapos ikaw nang pumunta rito para magbulan.
So there guys, papalit na kami. And ito yung dinadaan namin papunta. Saan ka nagpalit ba?
Alam niyo may dito, diba?
Bobo yan, may snake dito, Prince.
Meron nga.
Uy.
Oh, put nyo dito lang.
Hawa, put, anong put? Basa yan.
Okay lang yan!
Mamaya, nasan ka nagpalit?
Grabe po!
Mamaya, lalagay ko. Dito ka nagpalit?
Opo.
Ay, kalaw may CR.
Ha?
Wala palang CR.
Wala, dito.
O, hawak mo. Bye. Dito ako magpapalit in the middle of these woods. So, here's the current situation right now. Ay, nakapagpalit na ako, obviously. As in, real. Nakaka-local yung experience na to, ah.
Waiting around for you to call back.